Hola amigos, ¿cómo está usted? Bienvenido a las clases de español de Wordsmith. I welcome you again to the new video of Spanish Wordsmith classes. And today we are going to discuss indefinite articles. So here we go. I'm going to share the slide with you all. So in last video, we talked about definite articles. In this video, in this particular video, we are going to talk about indefinite articles. And what are indefinite articles? A or an. Now, why is a or an indefinite article? Because it is used to refer a noun that is general or when the identity is not known. Now, what does it mean? It means a boy. It can be any boy. A girl. It can be any girl. Okay, so that is why a and an are used as indefinite articles in English. But in Spanish, again, we have indefinite articles for both plural and singular. Okay, and they're different for masculine as well as feminine. So here we start again. For singular masculine, for masculine singular, both ways you can learn it. The Spanish indefinite article for masculine singular is un. The Spanish indefinite article for feminine singular is una. Again, I'll show it with the examples as well. Just concentrate on what I'm trying to say right now. The Spanish indefinite article for masculine singular is un. And the Spanish indefinite article for feminine singular is una. For plural, for masculine plural, it is unos. For feminine plural, it is unas. Now let's study it with the help of examples. The singular indefinite articles, masculine example, un gato, un musgo. So you need to find out these meanings, the meaning of these Spanish words from dictionary. Okay, I'm not going to help you. This you have to do of your own. Okay, now feminine, singular, una ciudad, una idea. Okay, now for plural indefinite, masculine, unos gatos. As you can see above, it was un gato. Now, if you do change it to plural, it will change to unos gatos, unos libros. For feminine, unas casas, unas flores. So, Spanish indefinite article is a pretty small topic to be covered. So, for as of now, you just need to remember these things. For singular indefinite article for Spanish in Spanish language, for masculine singular, you have to use un. For feminine singular, you have to use una. For masculine plural, unos. For feminine plural, unas. This was regarding indefinite articles in Spanish. Now, let's change the topic and learn some countings, los números. Okay, so I'm going to pronounce it once and you're going to repeat it and learn it by heart, because these are the countings that you will be using in Spanish language. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, CS, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Repetir. You need to repeat it aloud after me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. Okay. Just try to master the pronunciation. Speed will gradually come. There will be a time when you will speak them in speed. Okay, with speed. You'll speak them with speed. Un, dos, tres, cuatro. Un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. You will speak this like this, but it will take time. Okay, so the more you practice, the more fluent you will be. Moving on. So, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. So, again, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, 16, 17, 18, 19 y 20. So these were the countings. Now you will notice 16 is written as DSC, CS, 10 and 6. We join it. I'll teach you the joining somewhere down the line. But right now, I'm just telling you DSC, CS, 10 plus 6, DSC, 7, 10 plus 7, DSC, 8, 10 plus 8, DSC, 9, 10 plus 9, and 20. So counting is pretty easy, but you need to practice. Okay. Now, moving on to colors. Los colores en español. Sí. Rojo, naranja, amarillo, verde, azul, indigo, violeta, lila, rosa, blanco y claro. Repetir, por favor. Rojo, naranja, amarillo, verde, azul, indigo, violeta, lila, rosa, blanco y claro. Now, the only key to remember these words in Spanish and master their pronunciation is to practice consistently. I will repeat it again and again in every video. The key to master language is consistency, practicing it daily. So I would request you all to practice all these words, write it down and speak them aloud. Okay, be it counting, be it the colors, be it the days of the week, months of the year, anything. For you, you are the beginners in this language. So you need to write down. You need to train your hand how to write the Spanish language. You need to train your eyes. You need to train your mind how to speak and write. So this is the key. So hasta pronto, amigos. Buen día. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Adios.